What's going on YouTube? Jumping right into a what I eat in a day realistic version. I am starting out with my coffee. This is the first thing I do when I roll out of bed. I have consciously tried to make the decision to drink less processed creamer in my coffee, so I am just using some agave, actually a lot of agave, and clearly struggling to open this container, but I just like to add my agave first so it kind of melts as I mix it in. And then I just go in with my trusty oat milk. I thought it was going to appear on the screen sooner. Okay, there it is. There's the oat milk. I have to say that the oat milk and agave combo has been making me feel better in the morning versus my normal, like, Fruity Pebbles processed creamer. So, big fan, but I do like to make sure it's nice and sweet. So, definitely add in lots of agave or honey. I also like honey too. I also like to make this iced, so I use these giant ice cube trays. Also, shameless promo, the rings that I'm wearing are from my brand, Local the Label. You guys know I talk about it all the time, but I'm just loving it. A few hours later, we are transitioning into lunch. I'm going to make a buffalo chicken patty, which is actually plant-based chicken. It's not real chicken. Salad. I love, love, love these. They're a little spicy, but not too crazy. Also, look at this pan. It has definitely seen better days, but I usually use one or two of these patties. I cook them for the directed amount of time. At this point, it's like halfway through the day, and I realized that I haven't drank any water, so I am filling up my trusty water bottle here. This water bottle is basically my emotional support water bottle, the only way I will drink water, and you can find this on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it below. Okay, skipping right along here, I'm just taking a giant, giant heapful of salad, and this is my favorite Whole Foods dressing. Pull out the crusty pan, chop, 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 chop. I feel like I'm like a movie commentator. Commenter? Commentator? Is that a word? Don't think so. Just chop, chop, chopping away. Okay, once that all is in there, I just like to add my salad dressing. Don't know if you guys can tell, but I absolutely hate cooking, so everything is super simple. Later in the afternoon, I'm just having a snack of a Honeycrisp apple and peanut butter. Very specific about the Honeycrisp. So much sweeter. For dinner, I am making a protein little spaghetti situation. So if we're looking at the ingredients here, one serving actually has 10 grams of protein, which is awesome for pasta. And personally, I don't even think it tastes different. So boiling some water. I'm also making some homemade garlic bread with this Dave's bread. It's a healthier version. I tried using this I Can't Believe It's Not Butter spray instead of real butter for this little garlic bread. Probably would not recommend it. It was a little soggy, but either way, it works. I just sprinkled a little bit of garlic. Also, I do not own a toaster, so that's why I used the trusty, trusty oven to cook this little garlic bread. And close the door. Pasta's boiling. Oh, also, I like to, anytime I'm actually making a meal, I like to double or triple it so that I have leftovers. Like I said, I'm super, super, super lazy when it comes to cooking. I don't like cooking, and I typically just will grab whatever's available. So if I'm trying to make healthier choices, I want to have things readily available. I'm just using this pre-made sauce and more garlic powder. Shocker, shocker there. Cannot get enough. Also add a heaping amount of Parmesan cheese. And finishing off the night and mostly snacking throughout the day with this True Fruit strawberry stuff. It's delicious. Maybe nutritious. Anyways, okay, that is all the time we have. Thanks for watching and subscribe.